In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a certain word so it does not get flagged as a spelling mistake in Grammarly. This is really useful if you use names, brand terms, technical words, or custom phrases that Grammarly keeps underlining in red, even though you know they are correct. By adding the word to your personal dictionary, you can save time, reduce distractions, and make your writing flow much more smoothly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Grammarly account. You can do this through the Grammarly website or the app, depending on how you normally use it. Once you sign in, wait for the dashboard to load completely. After the dashboard opens up, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where Grammarly keeps the main account and writing settings, so take your time and make sure you're in the correct place. Now click on the Account tab from the left panel. This section contains your profile and account level settings, and it's where Grammarly lets you customize how it behaves for your writing. Once you're inside account, look for the writing option. This is the area that controls your writing preferences, suggestions, and dictionary settings. Next, under writing, select your dictionary. This is the important part because your dictionary is where Grammarly stores custom words that you want it to recognize. When you open the dictionary, you should see an option to add a new word. Type in the exact word you want Grammarly to stop flagging. Make sure you spell it exactly the way you want it saved, including any capitalization if that matters for your use case. Once you add the word, Grammarly will remember it as part of your custom dictionary. That means the next time you type that word, it should no longer be marked as a misspelling. This is especially helpful for product names, unique usernames, industry jargon, company terms, and any other words that standard spellcheck might not recognize. If you use Grammarly often, this is one of those small settings that can make a big difference. Instead of constantly ignoring the same warning over and over again, you can teach Grammarly that the word is correct for you. That keeps your editing process faster and a lot less frustrating. If you want to add more than one word, you can usually repeat the same process and keep building your own custom dictionary over time. The more you personalize it, the better Grammarly becomes at matching your style and vocabulary. Just remember to only add words that you truly want recognized, so your suggestions stay accurate. So to quickly recap, log into Grammarly, open the dashboard, click Account, choose Writing, and then open Dictionary. From there, add your custom word so Grammarly stops flagging it as a misspelling. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.